Russia has described the US seizure of a Russian-flagged oil tanker in the Atlantic as a violation of maritime law, and a senior lawmaker described it as outright piracy. Russia's transport ministry said contact with the vessel, the Marinera, had been lost after US naval forces boarded it near Iceland as part of their efforts to block oil exports from Venezuela. The Venezuelan-linked vessel, previously known as the Bella 1, was captured by US forces in an operation aided by British armed forces, including RAF surveillance, following a prolonged pursuit across the Atlantic, lasting more than 2 weeks. American officials say the tanker slipped through a US maritime blockade of sanctioned vessels and refused Coast Guard efforts to board it. The move comes just days after a US Special Forces raid in Caracas captured President Nicolas Maduro and transferred him to US authorities for prosecution. Venezuelan officials have called the action a kidnapping, while US leaders accuse Venezuela of stealing American oil. Foreign Affairs Minister Helen McEntee has said Ireland is monitoring the situation in relation to the seized oil tanker in the vicinity of Irish waters.